experiment. Let's review what you just shot.
Oh, I thought I did a better job than that. It doesn't look very good.
Well, one of the reasons is that the footage is wobbly.
True.
Most of you probably shoot video by holding the camera in your hand like him. Therefore, it becomes especially important that you steady your camera. For this to work, when you're recording, you must not sway or wobble. First, spread your legs about shoulder width and relax. Yeah, that's about right. Then, tighten the hand strap. Bring your elbows in. And stabilize the camera with both hands. There, isn't that much better?
Yeah, that does look better.
When filming with zoom, the appearance of shaking gets amplified. So lean against a sturdy object or place the camera on top of a stationary object to stabilize the image. Furthermore, being careful to keep the image level improves your shot.
Level?
Right. When the camera is not level, she looks crooked, and so the image looks strange. Shoot the camera so that your girlfriend appears straight. It's easy, but very important. Even with this small change, the image appears stable and looks better.
Whoa! That small change makes such a big difference.
See? Now let's take a look at this. Just by doing this to this image, you can see the sparkling ocean and how beautiful the yacht looks against the sea. On the other hand, if you shoot more of the sky, the blue skies and white clouds become the focus, and the great weather looks like it feels great. Like you see, changing the location of the main subject in your frame is the composition of the image. The composition, in turn, changes the atmosphere of your shot.
Right. Yes, I see.
Additionally, pay attention to composition while filming people. For example, this footage of a woman facing sideways is neither wobbly nor crooked. However, it feels cramped.
Right.
How about now? If we put a little bit of space in the direction she is facing, look, it looks more balanced.
Right again.
Also, the angle of the shot affects the impression of the subject as well. Simply put, the angle is whether you shoot from above or below your subject. Take a look at this. This is footage that a father took of his daughter playing with bubbles. And this is the same shot, only shot at the eye level of the child. What do you think?
In this one, you can see the expression of the child's face, and the child looks much cuter.
You can change the angle of the LCD monitor on the Handycam camcorder so you can film even at this low angle. There are many other angles to shoot from, so try out as many of them as you like. For example, look at this footage. The low position that the toy car was shot at gives the image an intense look. Even a familiar scene can look dramatic when shot from a different angle. Like this flower scene, when shot from a lower angle, it gives more depth to the image since you can see more than just the ground. Children and pets especially look great, since their facial expressions are brought out.